गाइस, आज हम अनबॉक्स करने वाले हैं प्रीमियम क्लेज जो मैंने स्लेट एंड क्ले शॉप से मंगवाए हैं। सो लेट्स अनबॉक्स दिस। Looks yummy. So let's unbox this one. Naku bite. Smells too good. Slate thick bar. Whoa. The biggest tailstone. Oh my god. So let's unbox the other one. Nandi. Here is the main part.
अभी मजा आएगा ना भिड़ो.
Treats. Oh my god. Look at the tiny one. So cute. So let's unbox this. You know, clay pencils. Eighteen slate pencils. White shell stone, unshaped bar, Kit Kat, triangle or unshaped roofs, hard straights, Naku white, Punjab ki mitti, slate pencil, cute mini matki. These are the clays. So roasted multani mitti. And this, it contains non-roasted nakumayat, buttercream, roasted nakumayat. So these are all what I have got from Slate and Clay Shop, and I'm so happy. And now I can't wait to review this. So let's start.